You ever meet someone in their 80s or 90s who just blows your mind with how strong and active they are? Like that 92-year-old marathon runner from Japan who still runs circles around people half his age. The wild part? His secret isn't some fancy supplement or expensive gym routine. It's food, regular food you can buy at any grocery store. And when I tell you how simple this is, you're going to look at your kitchen completely differently. Look, here's what happened. Dr. Hiroshi Tanaka, a leading orthopedic surgeon in Tokyo, spent 15 years studying over 8,000 seniors. His findings stunned the medical world. The people who ate certain foods every day kept nearly 73% more leg strength after 80 compared to everyone else. 73%. That's like turning back the clock on your muscles. And no, these weren't exotic berries from the Himalayas or some $80 supplement from an ad. Most of them are probably sitting in your fridge right now. Now, the number one food on that list increased leg muscle protein synthesis, basically how your body builds muscle, by a mind-blowing 260% in just 12 weeks. And get this, it costs less than $3 a serving. But before I reveal that, you need to know one thing: most people prepare these foods completely wrong, which actually kills their muscle-building power. So let's go through them the right way, starting with number 7. Spinach. Yeah, I know, sounds boring, right? But spinach is way more powerful than people realize. Researchers in Sweden discovered that spinach contains natural nitrates that boost muscle efficiency by 28%. Just 1 week of eating 2 cups of cooked spinach a day made participants' mitochondria, basically the little engines inside your muscle cells, produce energy more efficiently. That means walking feels easier, climbing stairs doesn't wipe you out, and your legs fatigue slower. But here's the thing. If you eat it raw in salads, you're missing the point. Raw spinach has oxalic acid, which blocks calcium, and your muscles need calcium to contract properly. Boil it too long and you destroy most of those nitrates. The sweet spot? Lightly steam it for exactly 3 minutes. Then add a squeeze of lemon. That combo reduces the bad stuff while boosting iron absorption up to 6 times. And if you really want to upgrade it, toss in a bit of olive oil or avocado. Fat helps your body absorb those antioxidants that protect your muscles during activity. Now, let's talk about a food most people ignore: sardines. I get it, they don't sound appealing. But these tiny fish are muscle gold. A 3-year Portuguese study showed that older adults who ate sardines twice a week had 67% less muscle loss. The reason? They're loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA, natural anti-inflammatories that protect your muscles from breaking down. They've got more omega-3s than salmon and cost a fraction of the price. If you buy canned sardines, make sure they're packed in olive oil, not water. The oil keeps those nutrients intact. And don't throw away the bones. Those soft bones are full of bioavailable calcium that your muscles crave. Want to make them more effective? Mash them with a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and a pinch of black pepper. That combo boosts nutrient absorption big time. Okay, moving up the list, Greek yogurt. But not the sugary kind with fruit on the bottom. Real Greek yogurt is packed with casein protein that slowly digests overnight, feeding your muscles while you sleep. One study found that eating it before bed increased overnight muscle repair by 43%. Think about that, your legs literally rebuilding stronger while you're asleep. Mix in a little ground flaxseed and cinnamon. Flax boosts natural testosterone, which both men and women need for muscle maintenance. And cinnamon improves how your muscles absorb glucose for energy. Add a few walnuts on top for extra omega-3s and you've got yourself a powerhouse bedtime snack. Just don't go overboard. 1 cup about 30 minutes before bed is perfect. Alright, number 4, sweet potatoes. The people of Okinawa, Japan, famous for their long, active lives, eat them almost every day. Sweet potatoes pack glycogen, the primary fuel for your muscles, and they're full of beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A, crucial for muscle repair. Plus, the fiber helps your gut produce fatty acids that lower inflammation and improve nutrient absorption. Here's the trick. Never peel them. The skin has most of the fiber and compounds that help stabilize blood sugar. Roast them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes, not boiled, because boiling cuts the nutrients in half. And if you want to take it to the next level, cook them, let them cool overnight in the fridge, then reheat. That process creates resistant starch, which feeds good gut bacteria and helps your muscles use nutrients more efficiently. Next up, beet juice. This one's wild. British researchers found that older adults who drank beet juice for a week increased their leg power by 19%. Beets are loaded with natural nitrates that convert into nitric oxide, the compound that improves blood flow. Basically, it makes your legs feel alive again. Here's how to do it right. Juice 2 medium beets with 1 apple and a bit of ginger. Drink it about 90 minutes before walking, jogging, or even gardening. Don't mix it with coffee or tea. Tannins block nitrate absorption. And don't use mouthwash right before, because it kills the bacteria that help convert those nitrates into nitric oxide. 3 times a week is all you need. Coming in at number 2, quinoa. This little seed is a complete protein, which means it has all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need. Harvard researchers found that seniors who ate quinoa regularly maintained over 80% more leg muscle mass over 2 years than those who didn't. It's especially rich in lysine, a key amino acid that helps your body repair and grow muscle fibers. To get the best out of quinoa, rinse it before cooking to remove a natural coating that can interfere with protein absorption. Then cook it in bone broth instead of water that adds collagen and minerals that support your joints. Add a spoonful of hemp seeds afterward. They reduce inflammation and give quinoa a nutty kick. Eat it for lunch, not dinner. Your muscles use those amino acids best when you're active, not sleeping. And finally, the ultimate leg strength food, eggs. Whole eggs, not just the whites. Researchers at the University of Illinois found that eating whole eggs boosted muscle protein synthesis 42% more than egg whites alone. That's because the yolk is where all the good stuff lives: vitamin D, omega-3s, and leucine, the amino acid that flips the switch for muscle growth. Soft boil or poach your eggs instead of frying them. High heat destroys key nutrients and oxidizes the cholesterol, which you don't want. Add a sprinkle of turmeric while cooking. Curcumin helps with muscle recovery. And always eat eggs with veggies. The antioxidants protect the healthy fats in the yolk and make them even safer for your heart. Here's something amazing. Studies on Japanese seniors who could still climb Mount Fuji found they ate about 14 eggs per week. Their leg muscle density looked like that of people 30 years younger. The takeaway? 2 to 3 whole eggs each morning can make a real difference over time. When you combine all 7 of these foods, spinach, sardines, Greek yogurt, sweet potatoes, beet juice, quinoa, and eggs, you're covering every base your muscles need to stay strong. You get nitrates for blood flow, omega-3s to fight inflammation, complete proteins for building, and vitamins that keep everything working like clockwork. Start small. Pick 3 of these foods and add them into your weekly routine. You don't need perfection, just consistency. Over time, your legs will feel stronger, steadier, and more energized. And honestly, that's what longevity is about. Not just living longer, but moving better, feeling confident, and staying independent. If this video changed how you think about food and strength, hit that subscribe button. Every week, we break down the real science behind staying healthy and strong. No gimmicks, no hype, just useful stuff that actually works. Your 90-year-old self will thank you.